Namaskar. You are again welcome in the online class of mathematics subject. As in the last class, we were solving the questions depending on trigonometric ratios, which has the finite value, or we can see we have prepared the table for trigonometric ratios for different angle, and here all the questions are related to the given angles of 0 degree, either 30 degree or 45 degree or 60 degree or 90 degree. All questions we are solving are related to that table. That table we have already constructed. Then first you have to remember the table, and again, as we have discussed in the last class up to question number 9, today we will solve the next part of exercise 6.1. Then first think about question number 10. What you are asking in the question number 10? As question number 10 is given as question number 10, you can see all the questions are written on the board. Value of this one. Then first think, what is the value of tan 30? Question number 10, since we know the value of tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3, as we know, or as we can perceive from the table. Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. Then the value of 2 tan 30 degree, that is divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. We have to substitute the value of tan 30 in the question. What is the value of tan 30? That is 1 by root 3. Then we are substituting the value of tan 30 in the both of the parts as numerator and in the denominator. And here we are writing the value of tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. And here you can see, here square is taken, then again square is also taken to this term. Solve this term, then we can write 2 into 1. That means this is multiplied to this, means 2 is multiplied to 1, that is 2, that is divided by root 3, and that is divided by 1 minus square of 1, that is 1, that is divided by square of root 3, that is 3. Then we can write 2 upon root 3, that is divided by, okay, take the LCM in the denominator, and you can, as you can see here, LCM is taken as 3 and 3 is multiplied to this one. It means 3 minus 1, that is divided by 3. In the next step, we will get here 2 upon root 3, that is divided by 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 by, there is written as 3. And we can see here the number is written in terms of a upon b upon c upon d. That we can know 2 upon root 3, and this number is multiplied to this number by taking opposite. It means 3 is taken as numerator and 2 is taken as denominator. It means 2 is cancelled by this 2 and root 3. As we can see here 3 is written, it means we can write 3 in terms of root 3. That means we can write root 3 into root 3, and that is divided by root 3. That means root 3 is cancelled by root 3. That means we obtained here root 3 as in the answer. Okay, you can write. Question number 10 is solved. Again, see the next question. Question number 11. Okay, question number 11. What you are asked in the given question, question number 11, find the value of x. Find the value of x. It means x is taken in terms of the given question, in one term of the given question. It means in the question first we can write question number 11 and part first, that we can write given as given term as cos x is equal to cos 60 degree, that is multiplied by cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree, and that is multiplied by sin 30 degree. And we have to calculate the value of x by using this given relation. Let this relation is taken as equation number 1. Okay, first think about the value of cos 60 degree. What we need in the question? We need the value of cos 60 degree, cos 30 degree, sin 60 degree and sin 30 degree. As we know what is the value of cos 60 degree. You can see in the table or you can directly remember, that is 1 by 2. What is the value of cos 30 degree? Cos 30 degree, that is given as root 3 by 2. Again, what is the value of sin 30 degree? That is given as, sin 60 degree, that is given as root 3 by 2. What is the value of sin 30 degree? That is given as 1 by 2. Substitute all the values in equation number 1 from equation 1. From equation 1. We have cos x is equal to, what is the value of cos 60? That is 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 is multiplied by cos 30 degree, that is root 3 by 2. Plus in the next step, the value of sin 60 degree, that is root 3 by 2. And that is multiplied by 1 by 2. Okay. In the next step, we can write here 1 is multiplied by root 3, that means root 3, that is divided by 2 into 2, that is 4. In the next step, root 3 is multiplied by 1, that means we will get root 3, that is divided by 2 into 2, that is 4. Again you can see here 4 is as taken as LCM, that means 4, and that is multiplied by root 3 plus root 3. As you can see here, root 3 plus root 3, that means root 3 will come 2 times, then 2 root 3, that is divided by 4. As you can see, 2 is cancelled, 4 is cancelled by 2 times. That means we will get root 3 by 2. It means we are getting cos x is equal to root 3 by 2. And see in the table and think about the cos theta. In the table, at what value of the angle we are finding cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. As we can think, x is equal to 30 degree. As you can see in the table, that is the answer. You can write. The next question, first you have to write down. Next question. Second, question number 11 and part second. Okay, we are giving sin 2x is equal to sin 60 degree, cos 30 degree and minus cos 60 degree, and that is multiplied as sin 30 degree. Okay, then first assume the given relation as equation number 1. First think, what is the value of sin 60 degree? What is the value of cos 30 degree? What is the value of cos 60 degree, and what is the value of sin 30 degree? As we know, sin 60 degree, value of sin 60 degree, that is given as root 3 by 2. Okay, again cos 30 degree, that is given as root 3 by 2. Again we need The value of cos 60 degree, that is given as 1 by 2. The value of sin 30 degree, that is also equal to 1 by 2. Substitute all the values in the given equation. Then from equation number 1, we have sin 2x is equal to value of sin 60 degree, that is given as root 3 by 2, that is multiplied by value of cos 60 degree, that is also root 3 by 2, minus of cos 60 degree, that is 1 by 2, that is multiplied by value of sin 30 degree, that is 1 by 2. It means we can write sin 2x is equal to root 3 is multiplied by root 3, that means we will get 3 by this term. And here you can see 2 is multiplied by 2, that is we get 4, minus 1 is multiplied by 1, that means we will get 1, and 2 is multiplied by 2, that means we will get 4. Again you can think 4 is taken as LCM, and here the remaining terms are 3 minus 1, that means 3 minus 1, that is 2, and that is divided by 4. Then we can solve in terms of 1 by 2. That means we are getting sin 2x is equal to 1 by 2. First think, what is the value of sin? As you can see in the table, that means this is the taken as theta, that means 2x is equal to 30 degree as given. That means x is equal to 30 divided by 2, 30 degree, that is divided by 2, it means x is equal to 15 degree. You can write, that is the given answer. You should write down. Okay, next question. Question number 11 part 3. Question number 11 part 3. Okay. The given function is as root 3 tan 2x is equal to sin 30 degree plus sin 45 degree into cos 45 degree plus 2 sin 90 degree. That is taken as equation number 1. As we know, we have to substitute the value of sin 30 degree, the value of sin 45 degree, the value of cos 45 degree, the value of sin 90 degree. And as we know what is the value of sin 30 degree, that is taken as 1 by 2. What is the value of sin 45 degree? Sin 45 degree, that is taken as 1 by root 2. Value of cos 45 degree, that is taken as 1 by root 2. And value of sin 90 degree, that is equal to 1 as we know. Substitute all the values in equation number 1. Then from equation 1, we will get root 3 tan 2x is equal to sin 30 degree, that is given as 1 by 2, plus sin 45 degree, that is 1 by root 2, that is multiplied by cos 45 degree, that is also equal to 1 by root 2, and plus 2 and into value of sin 90, that is equal to 1. Then we will get root 3 tan 2x is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 2 is multiplied by 1 by root 2. That means we will get 1 into 1, 1, that is divided by root 2 into root 2, that is given as 2, plus 2 into 1, that is 2. First we have to calculate the value of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. If we take LCM as 2, then that means 1 plus 1, 2. 2 divided by 2, that means we will get 1 plus 2. Then again, that means we can write as 3. the value of root 3 into tan 2x is equal to 3. That means root 3 into tan 2x is equal to 3. First divide by root 3 to this term. That means tan 2x, we will find tan 2x is equal to 3 divided by root 3, and we can write 3 in terms of root 3 as root 3 into root 3, that is divided by root 3, and root 3 is cancelled by this root 3. That means we are getting tan 2x is equal to root 3. Okay, first think about the value of tan, where the value of tan will be root 3, and we can write 2x means theta is equal to 60 degree. It means x is equal to 60 degree by 2. That means x will be 30 degree. That is the desired answer. You should write. In the next question, we will discuss about the next question. What is the next question is, prove that. Question number 12. Okay, next question, question number 12. Prove that the value of cos 30 degree plus sin 60 means, we have to discuss the question number 12. Cos, question number 12. 1 minute. Okay, question number 12. Prove that cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree, that is divided by 1 plus cos 60 degree plus sin 30 degree, and that we have to prove equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, first we have to take here in this question, if we have to prove any of the question, then there are two parts in the given question as LHS and RHS. LHS means right hand side and RHS means LHS means left hand side and RHS means right hand side. And here you can see we have all the values from the table in the LHS. Then we will take from LHS, or we can say in this type of questions, when we have to prove, take one side from the question and prove the another side by using the first side. Okay, that means we are taking in this question LHS side. That means the given as cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree, that is divided by 1 plus cos 60 degree plus sin 30 degree, and as we know that is taken as equation number 1. LHS is equal to, as we can write, LHS is equal to, okay, and as we know what is the value of cos 30 degree, cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. What is the value of sin 30 degree, sin 60 degree? As we know, value of sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. In the next question, next part, we need the value of cos 60 degree, that is given as 1 by 2, and value of sin 30 degree, that is also equal to 1 by 2. Then LHS is equal to, put all the values in equation number 1, from equation number 1, okay, and here LHS is equal to, first we have to substitute the value of cos 30 degree, that is given as root 3 by 2, okay, plus the value of sin 60 degree, that is given as root 3 by 2, and that is divided by 1 plus what is the value of cos 60 degree, that is equal to 1 by 2, plus what is the value of sin 30 degree, that is also equal to 1 by 2. It means LHS is equal to, okay, see here, root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. It means we have 2 as LCM. It means root 3 plus root 3, that is divided by 2. 2 is taken as LCM. Okay, that is divided by 1 plus, as we know, half plus half, that is equal to 1. In the next step, root 3 plus root 3, that means 2 root 3, that is divided by 2. Again, that is divided by 2. And as we can see, 2 is cancelled by this 2. It means we have root 3 by 2, that is RHS. Hence proved. Hence proved. Okay. In the next question, first you have to write down this question number 13. Question number 13. Question number 13 given as question number 13, that is given as prove that 4 cot square 45 degree minus sec square 60 degree and minus sin square 30 degree, that is equal to minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. Okay. First we will take the side LHS from LHS. And as LHS is given as 4 cot square 45 degree minus sec square 60 degree minus sin square 30 degree. Then we can write the given terms in terms of the square of cot 45 degree minus here square of sec 60 degree and here the square of sin 30 degree. Okay. Then we will take this step as equation number 1. First we have to substitute all the values of trigonometric ratios. As we know cot 45 degree is equal to 1, sec 60 degree is equal to 2 and sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. All the values we have, then we have to substitute all the values equation number 1 from equation 1 Okay, we have LHS as given 4 into what is the value of cot 45, that is 1, then square of 1 minus what is the value of sec 60, that is 2. It means we have square of 2. Next step we have square of 1 by 2, the value of sin 30 degree. The next step we can write 4 into what is the square of 1, that is 1 minus 2 square, that is 4 minus 1 by 2 square, that means 1 by 4. It means we can see 4 into 1, that is given as 4 minus 4 minus 1 by 4 and 4 is cancelled by this 4. That means we will get minus 1 by 4. That is the desired side RHS. Hence proved. Hence proved. You should write. Question number 14. Question number 14. Given as we have to prove that sin 30, that is multiplied by, okay, this is taken as wrong term. That's why here the given term is cosec 30 degree. Because if we use sin 30, then we will not gauge the another term, another right side. Okay, then in this question you have to correct sin 30 by cosec 30. Cosec 30 sin square 60 degree plus 3 cos 60 degree, and that is multiplied by tan 45 degree, and we have to prove that is equal to 2 sec square 45 degree minus cosec square 90 degree. Okay, first we will substitute all the values of trigonometric ratios from the table, and as we know cosec 30 is equal to 2, that is the opposite of sin 30, and the value of sin 60 degree, that is equal to root 3 by 2. The value of cos 60 degree, that is equal to 1 by 2, and value of tan 45 degree, that is equal to 1. And the next sec 45 degree, as we know sec 45 degree is the opposite of cos 45 degree. It means value of sec 45 degree is equal to root 2. And the next cosec 90, and that we know is equal to 1. Okay, from LHS, first we will take LHS. LHS is given as cosec 30 degree, that is multiplied by sin square 60 degree plus 3 cos 60 degree and tan 45 degree. Okay, substitute all the values. What is the value of cosec 30? That is equal to 2, that is multiplied by value of sin 60 degree, that is root 3 by 2, and we have to make square of root 3 by 2, plus in the next step 3, and value of cos 60 degree, that is given as 1 by 2, and what is the value of tan 45 degree is equal to 1. Solve this. 2 into square of root 3, that is given as 3, 2 square, that is given by 4, plus 3 by 2, that we will get 2 is cancelled, 4 is cancelled by this 2. It means we have 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2, that means we have LCM taken as 2. 3 plus 3 6, 6 by 2 means 3. Equation number 1. Again from RHS, and here RHS is given as 2 sec square 45 degree minus cosec square of 90 degree, and we have to substitute all the values of sec 45 degree and cosec 90 degree, and we have sec 45 degree, that is equal to root 2 square of root 2 minus value of cosec 90, that is equal to 1 square of 1, that we can write 2 into square of root 2, that is 2 minus 1. It means 2 into 2 4, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, that we can see from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2 we have LHS is equal to RHS. That's why we can say this question is hence proved. Okay, I am giving question number 15 and question number 16 for homework. You have to try to solve the question number 15 and question number 16. Tomorrow we will discuss the question number 15 and question number 16. Thank you.